this project, it's all about understanding the basics of Python. This is for beginners. Maybe like you're not used to Python. In today's videos, the project we're doing is the game project. We have the basics, things we need to know before we go deep into Python. So in this project, guys, make sure you watch it and make sure you want to pursue it. You want to pursue a career in programming language with Python, make sure you subscribe. In today's videos, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to explain everything into details in order for you to understand what I'm talking about. It's very important to understand what I'm talking about. You understand? As you can see my screen, in today's videos, we're going to deal with Python project, guess the number game. So like this is a guess the number game. Guys, you remember, like the apps like Capitec, games we are playing, someone created them. It's either we use Python or JavaScript. They use coding. The robots we're talking to when we need help in our website, they use Python to create those stuff. That's why like now we're focused on the first project. It's a beginner, which is Python project, guess the number game. The reason I'm doing this is for you to understand the basic and to know how to do your first project in Python. So this is a good thing where like now I'm going to explain everything so that you can understand. So that next time you can do things by your own. You understand? So number one, step one, we need a random number. So we import the random module. This is a random, we import it. Remember, when we're doing like some other project like data scientist, data analytics project, you're going to import libraries. You understand? We are going to reach that level, but we're in the small level where you need to understand every project we're doing, we need to import libraries. This one is random. You understand? So that's why we need a random number. Random focus on the numbers. Then step number two, the computer picks a random number between 1 or 10. That means we are playing a game. We were like, you need to choose a number between 1 and 10. So this number will be hidden from the user. So this number will be hidden to someone who's playing. So the secret number is, you're going to say like a secret number underscore equals to random, because import random dot random in. So like this one we call it, we have integers as a types of data. Integers is the number. This one like random integers 1 to 10. So you must understand the language of the programming. So like integer, you understand, maybe types of data set. We have a lot of, we have decimal, we have a integer, we have a lot under data types. They are only, I think, 4. So like here is integer. That's why you put 1 to 10 because it's focused on the numbers. Step 3, we create variable to store the user guess. So like step 3, we create a variable to store the user. This is a variable, guess equals to none. We set the none, which means it's nothing at the first. So it means like the nothing at the first, and then this one we call it as a variable to store a data, which is guess is equals to none. This one is a variable. You understand? Step 4, we print. So like print is like we are calling. Like I think if you watch the first video, you see we're printing, say hello world. Normally, like if you are starting to do Python, we're going to face where like the teacher, you need to call hello world. So like print is we are calling, print a welcome message to the user. This tell the user what they need to do. So we're going to say print, I'm thinking of the number between, you say like I'm thinking of the number between 1 and 10. So this one is printing. Then we're going to use a loop. So remember, all these things are the basics. Print is a basics, variable is a basic, random is a predict, import is a predict, loop is a we have a while and loop. We have a this a loops. So in the loop we have the while. You can see there's a while here and for. So we use a loop. We use a loops to this. We use a loops to the user can guessing until they get it right. So remember, loop is repeating something again. I explained it in the first video where I explained the basic of Python. So while is a loop, guess the decimal equal to a secret number. Now I'm now going to focus on step 6, where like we ask the user to type a guess. We ask the user to type a guess. For example, like here, we say input takes the user answer as a string. Understand? So we remember we have an integer and a string. String is a num is a alphabet. It's alphabet. Your name, these are the strings. Integers are your numbers. These are basics. We ask the user types of to guess, which input takes the user answer, the string music to convert into a number. So guess, this is an integer, we take a guess. These are types of data type. So like now we focus on the step 7. We use elif. Elif is the basics. So elif is like when the first one is not right, it's going to go to the second one. Okay. Something like if guess print hello. So we're going to see there are lots of them. Step 7, we use if or elif else to check the guess and give them feedback. So if the user guess is like less than the correct number, so this is what will happen. If you guess secret number, if you guess less than secret number, you're going to print too low, try again. If you guess more than a correct number, you're going to say too high, try again. This is what I'm saying. Like when you focus to if and elif, is like it look the first thing. If you see like it doesn't fit it, it's not the right answer, you go to the second one. Same as this one. You can see like if guess is less than, you're going to say too low, but if it's greater than, you're going to say too high. So it's going to other one. So if guess is exactly equal to a secret number, then else, that means you're going to check if, right? If like is, listen, if elif else is going to check if is less than, is too low, if is greater than, is is too high, but if the guess is equal to the secret number, you can say good job. So this the basic that you need to know and you must focus on. But then the only thing I'll do from you, I'll want you to the Python project, get the number game. So like now we're going to run the code. You understand? It's very important. When you press here, you run the code so that we can play the game. It may take time. But it's very important to understand what we're doing. You can see when it shows right, it means everything's fine. Then I'm going to run the second one, everything's fine. And this third one, everything's fine. So like it's very important, print, you can see I'm thinking of the number between 1 and 10. And then we focus on the wild guess. And the beautiful thing about, I encourage my students to use Collab. The reason we use Collab, when we've done mistakes, is going to help you to fix the error. There's an advantage of AI, because we can see like when you come in and say like fix the error, you can see like it's going to show us the error. Then you can accept and run. You can see we show accept and run. Then you say fix the error. You say incomplete rule. You can say accept and run. Still like I don't know what's happening. Why doesn't fix? You must fix it. You must fix it. Fix the error. You can see like even like here there's the errors that we need to focus on. You understand? Like now we need help so we can fix it. This. So let's go to step 6. I don't think step 6 is going to run because you can see this one is running. Say like take a guess. Maybe so is 1 to 10. Remember when you say 5 and then after, so it was running proper. When you say 5, then you say enter. It's going to, then we're going to come to here. So we get 5. Then elif is going to check. We need to fix the error. There's a beautiful thing about using accept the run. Understand still the problem. Let's go to the last one. Fix the error. Focus on the line 1. Then put the line 1. Else if we need to focus on the line 1. You can accept. You can run it. You can just accept. It's very important. Like as you can see, like here, it shows the problem. If there's a problem like here, you can see. So like now, we can see that they fix the error. You understand? It's very important. Then you accept the error. You accept to say like you must change it. Same as this one. You can fix the error. So the aim of this video is to teach you the basics and to do the first project in Excel. Use Collab. Collab, when you make mistake, is going to guide you. It's going to show you ways. That's the best way to understand Python. So remember, like now you're on the basics. And in a Python, you're going to make mistake. And when you make mistake, you don't beat up yourself. You don't sleep. You can use even like ChatGPT to fix the error. So like now, I don't want to take a lot of time. I just wanted to tell you to say like what you need to do. The basic that you need to do. You can watch the video, you can write the notes down. And those errors have been indicated on my thing. Go to fix them. You can go to ChatGPT, will able to help you. So, but if like you need my service, I'm going to put my service here. You can text me on WhatsApp so you can get assistance. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and make sure you share this video with your friend. Bye.